You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast. Today, we're wrapping up our Costa Rica series with a complete step-by-step roadmap for a stress-free international move. Step 1, planning. Start early. Schedule your SDC consultation at least 8 weeks before you move. We'll discuss your shipment volume, timeline, and whether sea or air freight best suits your needs. Step 2, packing and documentation. Our professional crews handle export packing and labeling for customs. We'll help you prepare your inventory list, passport copy, and residency paperwork to ensure smooth clearance. Step 3, shipping and tracking. We route your container through the ports, depending on your location. Your coordinator provides regular updates and tracking throughout transit. Step 4, customs and delivery. SDC manages all communication with Costa Rican customs, clears your goods, and arranges final delivery to your home, even in remote or mountain areas. And step 5, settling in. Once you've arrived, your belongings follow soon after. Unpacked, reassembled, placed by professionals who know the terrain and care about your comfort. That's what we mean by end-to-end service. The peace of knowing every step is managed, every document checked, and every box delivered. Whether you're retiring by the sea, working remotely from the hills, or starting a new life in the tropics, SDC International Shipping is your trusted guide. All right, let's turn your Costa Rica dream into a real address. Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com or give us a call 877-339-0267 for your free quote and start your journey today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.